Whether it be non-affordable rent, lack of adequate mental health care, or a result of the pandemic, homelessness is on the rise as not only more people, but families find themselves without a roof over their heads. We're looking for solutions in tonight's Dalfred report. If you've driven through Lafayette, you've most likely noticed an increase of the number of people on street corners asking for help. Jamie Wagner, St. Pius X Mission Club director, noticed they've been serving an influx of people without homes.
There are entire families that are out there on the street with very limited shelter to provide for them.
One coalition working to make sure everyone in Acadiana has access to housing, Acadiana Regional Coalition on Homelessness and Housing.
The main mission for ARCH is to help support the community in its mission to end homelessness and housing instability.
In January 2020, ARCH identified a total of 420 homeless people in the Acadiana region.
And that could be homelessness because of a hurricane, it could be homelessness because of a fire, it could be homelessness because they hit hard times economically.
And since the start of the pandemic, the numbers have skyrocketed.
Since March of 2020, this region has seen over 1,000 individuals and families who have had to seek assistance from shelters, from homeless outreach workers.
The additional number of people relying on support of the community by panhandling has been observed by local government as well. In summer 2021, signs discouraging panhandling began to emerge. The signs carry a message suggesting panhandling is not safe, change the way you give, call 211 to help. A quick note, not everyone who panhandles is homeless, not everyone homeless panhandles.
Even with families who have people working, the cost of housing has gotten so expensive. Lafayette right now has the highest rental rates in the entire state. While
the pandemic has further complicated the housing crisis, there are several organizations working to make an impact. One program ARCH offers is the Share House, where people being rehoused can stock up on a few essentials.
Whatever the reason is, if they've been out of their home and lost all their belongings, then this is a way to give them a little bit of a jump start. There's so many things to replace.
EndHomelessness.org reported 580,000 people experiencing homelessness in January of 2020. So this issue isn't isolated to Lafayette or even Louisiana, but here's how you can get help locally. Calling 232-HELP is the first step anyone should take facing a crisis. However, but not limited to. Lee Rochelle says with ARC that wages need to keep up and housing needs to remain affordable so people don't become homeless in the first place. Now, attached to this story online is assistance on how you can get help, also offered by Catholic Charities. Now, if there's an ongoing issue in your neighborhood or community or a story you would like me to investigate, feel free to send me an email at dialdalfred@klfy.com.
Coming up, Louisiana's